The Richland County Bar Association is a voluntary professional organization made up of attorneys that practice in Richland County. And the Public Service Committee of the Richland County Bar is a group that's part of the Richland County Bar that's dedicated to promoting public service activities and pursuits, providing volunteer opportunities for those attorneys.
My original goals of the HELP project was to, again, provide free legal consultation services to the homeless. There are many wonderful pro bono legal service providers in New Orleans as well as throughout the country. However, sometimes when you're dealing with the homeless population, 2/3 of whom are mentally ill, they do not necessarily know how to access those wonderful pro bono legal service programs. So it was my idea and the concept of the HELP program, we need to go to the homeless where they are located and offer our services to them.
The homeless community is one of the groups that our office serves. However, we recognize that one of the difficulties that the homeless face is access to the services that might assist them.
Catholic Charities already serves the homeless population. We have a clothing closet, and each week we serve about 40 to 50 individuals who come here. So about 160 people come to Catholic Charities who are homeless each month for help. In talking with them, we know there's a variety of problems and obstacles for them to overcome to get off the streets. Something as simple as getting an ID card to getting an expungement from the record just simply so they can find work.
The HELP clinic is really designed to be sort of a one-stop place for these homeless individuals. What I mean by that is that when they attend the clinic, when they come to the clinic and talk to an attorney, they will be able to leave from the clinic knowing what next step to take. They're not going to find long-term legal representation at the clinic, and the individuals who attend are not going to be referred to a specific attorney from the clinic. What will happen is we will go over the specific issues that they need legal assistance with, and then we will point them in the right direction or give them some basic instructions on how they can resolve the issue on their own.
Once a client's been identified as someone who could potentially benefit from this project, they will call up our office, and Kathy and I, either one of us, will set up an appointment, which we'll then have available for the attorneys as they come to work on that Thursday each month. We are here Monday through Friday, 9 to 3. We look forward to setting up the appointments through other agencies here in Columbia that work with the homeless population, other case managers, a lot of whom we already know and we work with in collaboration already in helping the homeless population.
We hope that those individuals and agencies that work directly with the homeless population will continue to refer those individuals to the HELP clinic so that they can continue to receive the assistance that is provided.
A gentleman had come in, he had been homeless for 12 years. He was a commercial truck driver. However, 12 years earlier, he lost his driver's license, or someone stole his driver's license, and whoever stole it or whoever found it abused it, and there were 10 outstanding tickets. Well, when a person does not pay his tickets, what happens? His license is suspended and there's a warrant for his arrest. This man was too afraid to go into the traffic court to take care of his problem because he was afraid of being arrested. So he had no other talents except to drive a commercial truck, and now that that was taken away from him, he was homeless and did not have gainful employment. Well, after he told his story to the attorney involved, he left the room, and she and I looked at each other in amazement because we both realized that the statute of limitations had run. And so he gave the attorney all of his information as far as his birth date, his name, and she went down to the traffic court in New Orleans. It took about 2 hours of her time, but she was able to locate all 10 or 12 of his traffic offenses. She went to the judge and was able to show the judge that the statute of limitations had run on all of these tickets. The judge dismissed, well, the county attorney, the district attorney dismissed all of the tickets. The judge then recalled the warrants for his arrest. The gentleman's driving privileges were reinstated, and he's now back driving a truck.